And of course I leapt out and Hey everyone, welcome to Spring Willows. It's Willow
and Licorice.
And today I just wanted to inform you guys of some horrible news. Frankie died. Yeah, well, we were coming home from our grandparents and we came in, and of course I saw him. We pulled into the garage and of course I leapt out and went to go pet him, and I saw him still struggling. He had gotten ran over by the back wheel of our car, so he's dead. Yep. So that's 5 cats in all. Licorice, Heather, Mimi, Vanilla, and Frankie. So that's so swell because I loved every single one of them so much. So now we're just left with 2 crabs. Willow, how's the icon doing? Not, and Mickey. Yeah, so that's fun.
So cute.
But yeah, hopefully we'll have another video up soon. I love you guys. Bye.